Did you take a little poopy in your diaper? Did you poop for me? In your sleep you pooped? Now I have to clean it up? Should Mom clean it or should I? Mom? Oh, yay for Mom. Yay for Mom cleaning. Yay. Yeah? What do you think? What do you think? Your guts feel better? Do they? Do your guts feel better? Huh, baby girl? Do your guts feel better? Hi.
That's another smile.
There's no way they can tell that happened. Oh my gosh.
Baby girl.
You want the
Baby
smile for the
girl.
camera on the YouTube? You gonna be a YouTube sensation? We'll make... You're wheezing, kiddo. Huh?
Mm-mm.
Change